So this is what is called the mix editor. This is basically BandLab's version of the studio. So what I'm going to do when this pops up for me, I'm going to click New Track and I'm going to click Instruments. Because what we're doing is I'm going to show you how to create this file using MIDI here. So I have instrument here. I have my piano down at the bottom. You may be able to hear it. So I'm going to do 5 instrument lab. What that means is I'm going to have 5 different instruments, 5 different tracks, all playing a similar thing. So how I'm going to do that is I'm going to record something very simple to start. Something like this. And that's it. So very easy to start off with. This is instrument 1. At the bottom here, you see is our all right, let's go from top to bottom here. We have our file, edit, view, settings, and help. We're going to be touching the file option in just a moment. We also have our undo, redo, loop or cycle, slice at the playhead, which is this little arrow here that I'm going to move back and forth. That's our playhead. We have our playback controls, so let's just go to the beginning, play, go to the end, and record. Our timer. These options are low advanced, but we have our key will change beats per minute or our tempo, and our time signature, as well as our metronome and our volume. We have save options as well as publish. So I'm going to teach you today how to create this and publish. At the bottom here, we have next we have add track. I'm going to click here and I'm going to add another instrument because I'm going to eventually have 5 instruments. So, and in order to copy here, I'm going to right click. I'm going to right click where this says instrument here. This is my recording that I just made. Click copy. Click on the next track and hit paste. I'm going to go ahead and drag this to where it's right after the next one. Next, I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing for, I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing here. I'm going to go ahead and click copy. I'm going to create a new track. And I'm going to click paste. Same sort of thing here. So I do that 2 more times. Instrument 4 and instrument 5. So I'm going to click down here, hitting paste again, and one more time. And I'm going to move these so they are one after another. See how when one ends, the next one begins? And I can also zoom out here so you can see kind of what's going on here. All right, so I have my sounds, I have my instruments. Now I'm going to show you how to change your instruments here in the next video.